Welcome. In this video, I wanted to talk about how to fix a problem on a Subaru Outback, and I have a 2016 Subaru Outback. So when I press the auto down button for my window, the window does not go down automatically. So I had recently disconnected my battery and it messed something up with this switch. So in order to fix it, I'll start with the window all the way up. I'll lower the window to halfway. Then I'll take the switch and I'll hold it up, and then after it's up all the way, I'll leave it there for a couple seconds. So now the switch is reset. So that's all for this video. I have a bunch of other Subaru related videos. I'll put a link in the description of my Subaru playlist where you can find those. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.